Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be decorating my main Christmas tree. And I'm super excited to finally be sharing this video with you because I love how the tree turned out. So the first thing that I did before I started decorating the tree was to lay out all my Christmas decor, the new one and obviously the one from last year, so I could see everything that I have. And I'm going to share with you where everything is from. So let's begin here, give you a little preview. So we're going to start here with these beautiful pics that are from Michael's. This one are from Macy's and I will link them down below. I just got them on sale. They were $12 and I paid $4. So I will link those as well. And these are from a local company here called Shans. This is from At Home stores, from At Homes as well. All the white ornaments and the bling ornaments are from At Home. These bowls are from Big Lots. This ribbon is from Big Lots. These are from At Homes. Those are beautiful. Beautiful poinsettia. It's also from At Home. I love that it came with the lace detail. This crystal things are also from At Home. They're acrylic. And this beautiful garland, it's also from At Home. This is from At Home. I don't remember if you saw my shop with me, but I shared the items that I picked up in that video. So here, beautiful pearl ornaments are from Hobby Lobby. They're so pretty and affordable. They were only $7. These are from last year from Hobby Lobby that I never used. And this year's flowers I couldn't find, so I got those from Michael's. Here I am with Marisol. She's the one helping me, or should I say she's the one creating this beautiful tree. She's an expert designer creating Christmas tree and also floral arrangement. So follow her on Instagram. I will leave it down below. So here we're creating clusters from all of my ornaments. We are also removing all of the, little ornament hanging thing that comes with it and adding these wires. And it's amazing, you guys. That's a trick she shared with me and I love it. This year, the way that I wanted my tree was like a designer look and also that waterfall look that a lot of designers do. So here Marisol is adding all the poinsettias from At Home, which I only had 6 in total. I wish I had more, but we're gonna work with what we have here. Check the description box because I will be leaving Marisol Instagram account so you guys can see all her Christmas tree designs. Also, she does custom made floral arrangement, which are beautiful and they're for sale to the public. After the poinsettias were done and put in the tree, we started adding the clusters that we did with the ornaments. And here you see me doing it. We just following the waterfall line again here next to the flowers. Next, we're adding the berry picks right here to the side, and we're gonna add them all together again on the waterfall direction. And this is how the tree is looking so far with the ornaments that we have put. You see it? Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like, it's all floating down. So beautiful. The next thing we added was the white garland that I got, which I only had one from At Home, and we're adding it on this side right here. We're just making sure, we're attaching it to the branches and play it with the way we want it to look. So last year I got this lighted pick from a store called Christmas Palace here in South Florida. I think they sell online, but here Marisol is putting this to the side. Remember last year I had it all the way at the top, so I really love how it looks now on one side. So Marisol started working with the topper here, adding things in there to decorate it. It's funny how she says that she usually starts decorating the tree in the middle section, and I usually start with the topper most of the time. How funny is that? It's super interesting to work with other people and learn from them. So next are these beautiful ornaments here from At Home. I'm just gonna add them all over here. And again, I'm gonna use them all in the same section going down. So Marisol is adding this fake snow cotton type of thing, which is good to hide those big, gaps in the tree. That's another trick that you guys can use, and it just makes the tree looks really pretty and elegant. And here she's attaching some more ornament clusters. I picked up 3 of these gift boxes at my local Big Lots. They're so pretty. It comes with a fur material and already with the bling ribbon around it. And they're perfect to decorate any space. But I'm going to be using them here on my Christmas tree. And she's securing them with the same wire that we use for the ornaments. Almost done, you guys. So to finish the topper, we're gonna start adding more picks. I'm using the crystal acrylic ones that I got from Macy's, and then we're gonna also use some old ones that I got last year from Michael's that are white. You're gonna see them now. To add the final touches, I'm gonna be hanging these really pretty picks that come with the little hanging crystals all around. I mean, I had a lot of them, but they all got damaged, so I'm gonna put the Christmas tree skirt on, and she's making like a little display here on the side, which turned out so pretty. Friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. We finished decorating the Christmas tree. I went ahead and cleaned the living room by giving it a good vacuum because you know the fallout of glitter was real in this space. And then I cleaned the coffee table. Say hello to my 2021 Christmas tree. I am beyond obsessed with the way this turned out. It was everything that I envisioned in my head come to life. A piece of art, you guys. So beautiful. I want to give special thanks to Marisol for creating such a beautiful Christmas tree with me. And I want to invite you all to follow me on Instagram and follow Marisol as well. You guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to decorate your own Christmas tree this year. Don't forget to tag me on all your holiday photos if you're inspired by me on Instagram. God bless, and I will see you all on the next one.